Hi friends, I am Sourav Dutta and today I am going to show you how to enable fingerprint lock for WhatsApp in Android mobile. First, go to the Play Store and update your WhatsApp. Open WhatsApp, tap More Options, Settings, Account, Privacy. Scroll to the bottom and tap Fingerprint Lock. Turn on Unlock with Fingerprint. Touch the fingerprint sensor to confirm your fingerprint. You can tap to select the amount of time before fingerprint authentication is prompted. Successfully enable your fingerprint lock for WhatsApp.